Here today to show you how easy it is to install Root Quencher Jr. Greg is here with his trowel digging a 6-inch deep hole so that we can install the Root Quencher Jr. and connect it to the 1/2-inch drip line that's running just a few inches away. So we basically gotten a barbed connector with a 1/2-inch NPT that fits directly into the Root Quencher Jr. And then we have a simple T on the other end where he's cutting the line, and we're just going to install the T. And now that we have that done, Greg will be installing the directional plugs to keep the water from being wasted. So all the water that would be normally going away from that Mexican bell plant is now going to be blocked up, so we'll be focusing all the water towards the bush. So now Greg's going to install the Root Quencher Jr. and put the cap on so we can fill in the dirt. Now we're going to turn the water on so we can set the volume control. You can set it for any type of irrigation system or setup.